Today in this video we will show you how to make best skin cream, nourishing and natural. Here's a homemade skin cream that hydrates, brightens, and protects your skin using natural ingredients. Ingredients: ½ cup shea butter, deeply moisturizing, anti-aging. 2 tablespoon coconut oil, hydrates and soothes. 1 tablespoon almond oil, softens and brightens skin. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, soothes irritation and hydrates. 1 teaspoon beeswax, acts as a natural preservative and thickener. ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, brightens skin and reduces inflammation. 5-10 drops essential oil, lavender for soothing, rosehip for anti-aging, tea tree for acne-prone skin. How to make it: melt shea butter, coconut oil, and beeswax in a double boiler, or microwave in short bursts. Stir well and let it cool slightly. Add almond oil, aloe vera gel, and turmeric powder, then mix well. Whip the mixture with a hand blender or whisk until creamy. Add essential oil and mix again. Store in a clean glass jar in a cool, dark place. How to use: apply a small amount to clean skin at night. Massage gently in circular motions. Use daily for soft, glowing skin.